Hello everyone and welcome to Igbo Academy. My name is Shoma. Today we are going to talk about colloquialism in Igbo language. Colloquialism in Igbo language. These are expressions that can be used in speech and not in writing. Whenever you're speaking Igbo language, you can use it in the speech, but you can't use it whenever you're writing Igbo language. Sometimes we hear ourselves saying things like "omu." "Omu" means it is I. "Ogi." "Ogi" means it is you. "Oya." "Oya" means it is he or her. "Oha." "Oha" means it is them or it is they. "Unu." "Okwa ya mere ya." It means it is actually he that did it, or it is actually she that did it. "Okwa ya mere ya." So these expressions above are mainly colloquial and can be used in speech and not in writing. It is necessary to understand that this colloquial form omits the word bo between or and the personal pronoun. The actual rendering in the written form are, instead of you to write omu, it's supposed to be obumu. So when you're speaking, you can say omu or obumu, but when you're writing, you can't write omu. You have to write obumu. So in speech, in the colloquial form, you can say ogi, but if you're writing, you must write obugi. You can't write ogi. Then another one is oya. That's the colloquial form. But whenever you are speaking, whenever you are writing, you must write obuya. You can't write oya. Number 4, we have oha. Whenever you're speaking, you can say oha. But once you're writing, once you're putting it in writing, you must write obuya. You can't be writing an Igbo book or writing a letter or writing anything in Igbo language and say oya. But you can go around and hear people saying oya. You have to write obuya. Then onu. You can say onu, but once you're writing, you must write obu onu. Oanyi. You can say oanyi, but once you're writing it down, you must write obuanyi. Omiri ka uchu. Omiri ka uchu. When someone asks you kebe boje, you can say omiri ka uchu, but once you're writing it, you must write obu miri ka uchu. So these colloquial words in Igbo language, they think that is omitted. The word that is always omitted is bo. It's only bo that you omit when you want to say it, but when you want to write it, you don't omit bo. You must put it in writing. That will be all about the colloquial words. These are words that can only be used in speech and not in writing. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do have a nice day.